So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Olivia Vaughan, and I'm from 𝐾𝐄𝐑 𝐄𝐄.
And how many kids do you have dancing?
I have two girls, Leanne and Amelia.
And when was the first time you saw Bróga Bríomhar?
2016 approximately. We were in Sligo for a Christmas shopping trip, and we were in Quayside Shopping Centre, and we spotted all these little Santa hats bopping about, and that caught my eye, so I had to go over and investigate. And I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I hadn't really seen Shanos dancing before, and I just thought it was amazing. And I went up and spoke to Emer afterwards, and she explained about her dance company, and I said, yeah, we'd love to be a part of that. And she gave me her business card, and it all started there.
That's amazing. So how many years is that now?
8 years.
8 years,
Yeah.
oh my God. And do you remember Leanne and Amelia's first class?
I can't. It's all a blur because we've been to so many, but
And you come the whole way from Roscommon down
Yes.
to dance classes every
Yes,
week.
yes,
Brilliant.
yeah, but they love it, and it's given them so many amazing opportunities, and it's a wonderful group to be part of, and they've made friends for life, and it's been totally an amazing experience. Yeah.
So, Fergal, do you remember when you started dancing?
Yeah, it was about 3 years ago.
And do you remember your first event? Where was it?
It was in Riverstown.
And do you remember what you did?
Yeah, so it was at Christmas and we all wore Christmas hats. And I only knew about 3 or 4 steps, so I did the same ones every single time.
Hi, Sarah. So, your daughter Rachel has been dancing since she was 6 years old. Can you tell me what kind of opportunities she's been given since joining Bróga Bríomhar?
Oh wow. Yeah, I suppose look, there's been so many opportunities. She's doing something she loves, and I suppose there's opportunities on her own. So like there's things like where you just try and dance and develop yourself and challenge yourself to develop a step or whatever. And she does that with Emer, and they have their like challenges with themselves. Rachel goes away to practice. But outside of that, I think it's all of the opportunities maybe to perform. It's obviously competition. With its ups and its downs, and there's learning on both sides of that. The ups are great, but the downs bring lots of learning as well. So, and then I suppose outside of competition, it's just all those other opportunities and opportunities to perform and build your confidence for fun and friendship. But like things like maybe weddings, concerts, things that, those opportunities that Emer has given her through the school and through Bróga Bríomhar have been really, really good. And then I think even, this time of year actually, they given back through the shoe boxes.
Yeah.
And like for the last number of years, Rachel's been involved in helping out with that. I think at 12 or 13 years of age, that's a really good thing to be part of.
Yeah.
And it's a really good kind of anything that involves giving back to others that are less well off is really useful. And I suppose dancing in Molam nursing home actually, things like that, I think that's been really good for her as a young person to experience and to do.
So I suppose the main thing is we're not just a dance school, there's loads of opportunities.
Yeah.
So, Saoirse, how many years are you dancing?
7.
And Bróga Bríomhar is 10 years in business, so you're here 7 of the 10 years. That's a long time. What age are you?
9.
Oh my goodness. And do you remember maybe what was your favourite gig?
Well, the Christmas concert was maybe my favorite.
And where was the Christmas concert?
In the cottage here.
And do you remember there any funny memories of it?
Yeah, I was an elf and I was sweating before the concert even started, putting out loads of chairs.
So introduce yourself.
I'm Eva Lukakova.
And how do you know Bróga Bríomhar?
We just ran accidentally on Bróga Bríomhar because we were on a football match with Ludmila's older brother, and she needed to go to the toilet. So we just ran to the toilet, and there was like Emer sitting and doing some casting, or I don't know. And then I started to ask Ludmila if she wants to be involved in some dance.
Yeah.
Because we love Irish dance.
Yeah. Was this your first time to see Shanos dancing?
Yes.
You'd never seen it before?
No, never before, so it's completely new for us.
And where did Ludmila start? What venue did she start
She started in the Tilling Centrum, Colony.
Yeah. And I suppose Ludmila's only dancing 5 years, but she's achieved so much.
Yeah, she
in 5 years.
started when she was 5, and I didn't realize it's going so popular for
Yeah.
us. So
You didn't realise how popular Shanos was
Yeah.
before you saw it.
No.
And I suppose with you guys not being Irish, how does Shanos make you feel more involved?
Oh, we are very happy because we are not from Ireland. We feel like we are involved
Yeah.
in the community, and we
You get
feel
to
very
see more.
familiar,
Yeah.
and we are very happy.
Yeah. I suppose you get to see the culture more, our culture.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's an amazing culture and beautiful dance.
Yeah.
And it's not only about dance; it's about like feeling and express yourself through the dance. That's
Yeah.
what 𝐿𝐿 is doing.
So, what's your name?
Ariana,
And Ariana, what age are you?
7.
And do you know what age Bróga Bríomhar is?
No.
Bróga Bríomhar is 10 years old. That makes Bróga Bríomhar 3 years older than you. Can you believe that?